Moving on to the adhesives you need. You will need to pick either a tape or liquid adhesive that is going to be used to bond the hair system to your scalp. I highly recommend that you get a couple smaller samples of either liquid or tape adhesives in the beginning instead of going for one that is a bulk version of one of those, in order to try out different adhesives and see what works best for you. There's a very high probability you won't get the perfect one the first time. On top of this, I recommend you get a scalp protector to go along with your liquid or tape adhesive. A scalp protector is something we haven't talked about yet, but it's very, very important. What it will do is give your bond a far longer duration to your scalp. It is something that you apply before an adhesive and helps to make sure there's a barrier between the adhesive and your scalp, therefore extending the bond. There are many of those out there. My personal recommendation is to use Walker Max Hold Sport. I believe it's a great product, but there are many on the market that you can choose from.